Welcome to my channel Divyas Maths.
Next one we need to solve is log 125 by 16. Okay, so if you observe this clearly, this is in the form of log x by y. Right, so what is the formula for this? This is log x minus log y. So first let us convert 125 and 16. Okay, so 125 can be written as 5 cube, right, by 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Okay, so this is your x and this is your y, that is log 5 cube minus log 2 power 4. Okay, again if you observe here, this is in the form of log x power n, right, that is n into log x, that is 3 log 5 minus 4 log 2 is your answer. The next one is log of x square y cube z power 4 by w to the power of 5 in the expanded form. Okay, so this is also of a same kind. So okay, so let's see the formulas first. If you see here, it is like log x y z, right? So what is the formula for log xy? In the same way, you can take it as log xyz. Okay, that is log x plus log y plus log z. First, let us take the formula of log x by y. Okay, that is log of x square y cube z power 4 minus log w power 5. Okay, so we have written the formula here. Okay, that is log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4 minus log w power 5. Okay, so further if we simplify, this is in the form log x power n, right? So 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z minus 5 log w. Clear? This is your expanded form. And now let's see logarithmic form of 19 square equals to 361. So if you observe this, this is in the formula of a power x is equals to n, right? If you want to convert into log form, what is this? X is equals to log n to the base a, right? This 361 is your n, 19 is your a and 2 is your x, right? So 2 is equals to log 361 to the base 19. Okay, so this is your logarithmic form. Now let's see log 81 into 25. Okay, so let's write 81 in 3 power 4, correct, into 25 is 5 square. So this is in the form of log xy, that is log x plus log y. Okay, that equals to log 3 power 4 plus log 5 square. Again this is in the form of log x power n, n into log x. Okay, that is 4 into log 3 plus 2 into log 5. Clear? In the 41st question, they have asked 13 by 125 is a dash decimal. Okay, if you observe this, this is in the form of p by q. Let's see if we can prime factorize 125 to get in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, that is 5 cube, correct? So 13 by 5 cube. Okay, so we are multiplying 2 cube in the numerator and in the denominator. Okay, so we are getting in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, so if it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, we can say it is a terminating decimal. It is your terminating decimal. Clear? The next one is 27 by 82. So let's see, even this is in the form of p by q. Let's see if we can prime factorize 81. 2 41s are 82. So 41 is a prime number. We cannot further prime factorize. So this is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Correct? So we cannot write it in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Clear? So it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Now let's see. Root 5 plus root 7 is a dash number. See, by seeing the question we can say root p plus root q is your irrational number. Right? In the same way, it is an irrational number. So the next one is 70 by 71 is a dash decimal. See, if you observe carefully, 71 is your prime number. Right? This is in the form of p by q, but we cannot get q in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Right? We cannot get in this form. So, it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. So the next one is 123 by 125 is dash decimal and terminates after dash places. First we'll solve 123 by 125 is a what kind of a decimal it is. So if you write it here, 123 by 125 can be written as 5 cube. So if you multiply with 2 cube in the numerator and in the denominator, the value of the question does not change. Right? So this is in the form of a 2 power n into 5 power m. Correct? So it is a terminating decimal. Okay? It is a terminating decimal. If we solve further, 123 into 8 divided by 5 cube is 125 into 8, that is 984 divided by 1000. That is, it terminates after 3 places. Okay. So if you see this question, 9 root 2 into root 2. Okay, so first if you solve this, root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? So 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, 18 is your answer. So log 10 to the base 10 is, it's a simple one, it's 1. From the formula, log a to the base a is equals to 1. Okay, when the base and the log value are same, then it is 1. Okay, so here log 1 by a to the base a. I can write log a power minus 1 to the base a. Okay, a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. Right, so I am writing as a power minus 1, okay, that is minus 1 into log a to the base a is equals to minus 1 only, right, because log a base a is 1, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Clear? If you observe here, this is log a base p into log p base a. So we have a formula log p base a. If you want to interchange, okay, if you want to interchange the values, that will be 1 by log a base b. The values can be interchanged, right? The log value and the base value can be interchanged. So log a base b into 1 by log a base b. This both cancel. It's 1. Here, log 1 to the base 1 is not defined. So the next one is 16 into 64 equals to 4 power k. Then we need to find the value of k. Okay. So let me write 16 as 4 square and 64 as 4 cube is equals to 4 power k. So let's convert a power m into a power n as a power m plus n. We know this, right? So in the same way, 4 power 2 plus 3 is equals to 4 power k. That is 4 power 5 is equals to 4 power k. When bases are equal, powers are also equal. So k is equals to 5. And now here log of 125 to the base 5 is what? So simple, log 125 can be written as 5 cube to the base 5. This is in the form of log x power n, that is n into log x. So 3 into log 5 to the base 5, that is 3 only, right? Because log 5 to the base 5 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So the next is the exponential form of log 64 to the base 4 equals to 3. So we need to find the exponential form. They have given the log form. We need to convert into exponential form. We know the formula, that is a power x is equals to n. So what is n value here? N is 64 and your a is 4, right? And 3 is your x. That is 4 power 3 is equals to 64. This is your exponential form. Let's see the next one, that is log 64 minus log 4. We have the formula log x minus log y, that is log x by y. Okay, so if you put the same formula here, that is log 64 by 4, right? 4 ones, 4 16s. That is log 16. Okay, so the log 16 can be further simplified as 2 power 4, right? 4 log 2. Okay, so the next one is 6 power n cannot end with. If n is a natural number to the power of 6 power n, okay, for the n natural numbers, it will end with 6, okay, it will end with 6. So here 3 by 8, they have not mentioned anything, right? So let's see, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 3 by 2 cube, okay. So if we multiply 3 cube here in the numerator, the value does not changes, right? 3 into 125 divided by 8 into 125, okay. So what is 125 threes is 375. 375 by 1000, okay. So that is 0.375. This is your decimal expansion. So now let's see log 16 to the base 2. So log 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So this is in the form of log x power n, that is n into log x, right? So 4 into log 2 base 2. We know that this is 1, correct, from the formula log a base a equals to 1. Alright. So the next one is log 1 by 27 to the base 3. Log 1 by 27 can be written as 27 to the power minus 1 base 3, right? So further simplifying 27 to 3 cube, 3 cube is 27. So minus 1, okay? That is log 3 power minus 3 to the base 3. So this is the same form, okay? That will be minus 3 into log 3 base 3, okay? Which is, this is 1. So your answer will be minus 3. Now here log 1 to the base a is 0. Okay, so in the same way, irrespective of the base, okay, the answer will be 0. So the next one is log 9 to the base 27. So let us simplify 9 as 3 square and 27 as 3 cube. This is in the form of log x power n a power m. Right? That is n by m into log x to the base a. That is 2 by 3 into log 3 to the base 3. We all know this is 1. So your answer will be 2 by 3. See, if you observe here, root 7 into root 7 is 7. Right? So plus into minus is minus. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. That is 2. Clear? So the value of 36 by 2 power 3 into 5 cube in decimal form. Okay, they are asking this value in the decimal form. So 36 divided by 2 cube is 8 into 5 cube is 125. Right? So 36 by 1000. That is 0.036. So if we see here, if x and y are two prime numbers, then their HCF is. So we know that what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are your prime numbers, right? All these prime numbers have 1 and the number itself as its factors. Correct? So if you take x as 3 and y as 5, what is the common factor in them? 3 is 1 into 3 and 5 is 1 into 5. The common factor is 1. So the common factor, the HCF will be always 1 for the prime numbers. So the next is the set of rational and irrational numbers are. It is real numbers. Okay. So here in the 74th question, if you see, if 2 power x is equals to y and log y to the base 2 equals to 3, we need to find x minus y whole square. Okay. So they have given one exponential form and one logarithm form. Okay. Now let us convert this log form into exponential form. Let's see what happens. That is a power x is equals to n is your exponential form, right? So 2 cube is equals to y equals to 8. When you got y equals to 8, let us put this in this equation 2 power x is equals to y. That is 2 power x is equals to what is y? 8. 2 power x is equals to 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So x is equals to 3. Right? You have got x is equals to 3 and y equals to 8. Now let us solve this equation. If you see, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that will be x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. So what is x value? It is 3. 3 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 3 into 8, which is your answer is 25. So the next one is log 1 by 4 to the base 32. So we can write 4 as 4 power minus 1 to the base 32. Right? So this can be further simplified as log 2 square to the power minus 1. 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Okay. So log 2 power minus 2, 2 power 5. This is in the formula log x power n to the base a power m is equals to n by m into log x to the base a. Now this will be minus 2 by 5 into log 2 to the base 2. We know as this is 1, your answer will be minus 2 by 5. We all know that root 3 is a irrational number. Alright. Now we need to find log 100 is a rational or irrational. So how do we do that? So let's take log 100 can be written as 10 square. Right? See, if you observe carefully, they have not mentioned the base for this. Okay, they have only given log 100. If they do not mention the base, we can take it as 10. Right? It is a common logarithm. Now it is in the form of log x power n. Yes, n into log x. So this will be 2 into log 10 to the base 10, which is 1. So the answer is 2. It is a rational number, right? So it can be written in the p by q form, correct? So it is your rational number. And here 3 plus 2 root 5. We have seen it, right? 3 plus 2 root 5 is your irrational number. Clear? Now if you see this, it is 0.63 bar. This is called bar. You can write bar on the numbers which are repeating. Okay. So it can be written as 63, 63, 63, so on. What is this number? This is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. And if you see here 7.25. So 725 by 100. Right? After decimal you have 2 digits. So I have taken 100. If you further simplify, that will be 29 by 4 is your rational form.
If you have any doubts on the chapter real numbers, please put your questions in the comment section. I will answer them on the timely basis. In our next video, we will discuss on the chapter sets.